Saturday morning, opening up the store, get ready to start a new day here. Simple routine stuff opening up, man. Saturday, so all right. Beautiful morning. It's Saturday. Starting a brand new Saturday. It is the 21st. The 20th. July 20th. And we are opening up this beautiful Saturday morning. And I start my day just by checking things out like I normally do. Turn the lights on to a spot. Nothing super personal about this area. That's interesting in a shipping store, man. You know, like it's only to give some inside notes to what's going on for people. Came to the back, just check out, make sure everything's in the right place. Make sure nothing was doors locked. Checking out every nook and cranny. Okay. Make sure everything's in the right order, right place. Okay. Checking my material room. Got a ton of stuff, man. Ton of stuff in our storage area. It's a little hot, so I'm turning it in. It's cool. Turn the AC down. In this door here, check out, make sure everything's good in here. Super cool mailbox room. Employees only. Of course, it's my slash storage area, but this is an extra bathroom. We have 2 bathrooms in this office. And again, I'm just opening the doors, make sure everything's in the right place before I get started. But all right, okay, everything looks well here. This is my area where I do my posters and cutting, printing, and shredding. Looks like we're good to go here. Who's a chess player? Love chess. Checking out, making sure everything's in order. Next door people, the pet store. All right, now, one of the last things is finding a television show that people watches when they're walking, waiting on me to ship and pack their stuff before a printed label. It's always catch their attention, so I love to put some old, new, young, whatever it may be, might catch someone's attention. But I turn the TV on and let it play most of the time our local area beaches, and for people to like, oh, I haven't seen this place before, and oh, look at there. Oh, Superman. I'm not paying for that though. I'm looking for the free stuff. Got me. That is so cool. Look at there, the old Superman stuff. Okay. I knew show. guess I'll be watching this during this time of my startup. Let's do it. Let's do it shit quick, people. Let's get this day started. On thin sign turns on in 3, 2, 1. Let's get this day started. Talk to you later.